IAS ऑफिसर्स के पास पावर बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. हाउ डू यू रिमेन ग्राउंडेड?
Oh, the power is not something that can personally make you become like, the queen or the king of this place. Those powers come from, rules and acts and provisions which have been legislated upon and have been decided at those levels. So you only have the power to change lives, working in a certain framework for the betterment of society. So, yes, you derive a lot of satisfaction, and I think most of us would have the sense to not, make it make your ego go too high about it. And I think that would be the sensible thing to do, because I know that all of us have to retire one day, and these powers are not permanent. These powers, and in any case, what I'm trying to say is your power as a deputy commissioner of a certain, or district magistrate of a certain district, are wide and very varied, but different from when you become the director of any of the directorates, of any of these fields. So you don't enjoy those same powers. Your powers keep changing with your portfolios. So we understand that it has been given to you with a certain objective for a certain period of time, and it's not you, not me as Amrit Singh who becomes powerful. It is me as SDM Nakodar, or AMD Markfed, or Deputy Commissioner Firozpur, or whatever it is. So it's me as something. It's not me personally.